Hi everyone. In the last video, I walked you through the entire Keynote platform. Today we're building something real. I'm going to create an HR policy agent from scratch, connect it to your policy documents on OneDrive, and test it with actual employee queries. By the end of this video, you'll have seen every step it takes to go from a blank screen to a working agent in production. So the first thing, I'm in my agents page. I'll hit create new agent and then I'll give my agent a name, HR policy agent. Then a description. This tells the platform and your team exactly what this agent is responsible for. Think of it like writing a job description before you hire someone. The clearer you are upfront, the better the agent performs. Name and description set the identity. Next, we select the model. Keynote gives you complete flexibility here. You can use any of the supported cloud models or even connect a locally hosted model if your organization requires it. Now, let's give the agent its instructions. The instructions are the most important thing you'll configure. This is where the agent gets its purpose, its rules, and its boundaries. Here's what I'm putting in. The agent has access to three company policy documents. When an employee asks a question, the agent reads the relevant document, answers based only on what's written there, and tells the employee exactly which policy the answer came from. Going forward, it maintains a dashboard that keeps track of which policy document has been retrieved how many times. And notice there's no code, no nodes to wire together, just clear instructions, and you have a compliant enterprise ready HR agent. Next, I'm going to connect the OneDrive tools from the Connect Tools tab so the agent has access to the three policy files, which are Policy 1, Policy 2, and Policy 3. Next, I'm going to give my agent access to tools that will let it control and maintain dashboards. Once that's done, now I click the Save button and we are ready to go. From this point forward, whenever an employee asks a question, the agent reads the live documents directly. That means if HR ever updates a policy, the agent picks it up automatically. No retraining, no manual updates, and no version control headaches. This is what makes it enterprise ready. The source of truth stays in OneDrive, where your HR team already manages it. I'll make sure my integrations are connected by heading on to the integrations page. Now, the agent has its instructions and access to the documents. Now let's test it live. Let's run it with a few sample employee queries. The agent is working. You can see exactly what it's doing in real time using the execution trace, which documents it's reading, what it found, and how it formed its answer. There's full transparency at every step. So we can see the run is complete. Now let's head over to the dashboards page to see the dashboard that it's been updating in the background. There it is. Every query logged and the policy it referenced. Your HR team has full visibility into what type of queries employees are asking. That's the power of Keynote custom agents. No code, no complexity, just clarity about what you want your agent to do, and the platform handles the rest.